tonight, but I saw that the full shebang of spoilers for FabFitFun, the winter 2023, is up. So I thought, okay, yeah, I'm in my pajamas. Yeah, I'm getting ready to do a face mask, but let's make a video. There's a few of these that I'm excited about. So let's just get right into it. The Laneige Water Bank Serum. It has a $45 value. Then we have that nifty little hair tool that makes all of those cool waves by insert name here. It's a $72 value. And that's been one of the things I've been wanting for a long time. You guys already know about the Rebecca Minkoff $59 value. Then we have Amber Skeets, the Stella Crystal bag, a $98 value. And that looks like a perfect holiday bag. Then we have the Splendid Velour Robe, $64 value. And then we have a set of votive candles by Haps, a $45 value. Then we've got a blanket by Free People. Pretty colors. I believe it's a fringe throw. It has a $78 value. Then moving on, we've got something for when you entertain for the fall and for Christmas. This here is by Macy Blackwell. It's the tiered app tray, a $45 value. The Commodity Milk Expressive, you guys know about that fragrance already. The Fenty Skin, we talked about that. Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which is good. That's a really good cream. Then by NARS, we have some lip colors. These are pretty shades. $28 value. Elemis Peptid Eye Recovery Cream, $49 value. Then we have Cheese Knives by Macy Blackwell, a $40 value. You guys have seen the citrus cocktail glasses, the set of 2. Well, now we have the Poketo glass candlestick holder set of 2, $56 value. The Olaplex, the $30 value hair serum. Then we have a cake platter, which is really cool. Susie Cakes, $30 value. Then we have earrings by Ana Luisa, $65 value. Then we have a Grande Lash MD Lash Serum, 3-month supply, $68 value. An Apple Cider Vinegar Exfoliating Scalp Detox, $35 value. I'm excited about that one. Malin & Goat's Peppermint Body Scrub, $32. And then we have Kourtney Kardashian's Lemmy Irish Moss Liquid, the Lemmy Energy B12 Gummies. Then by Coach, the Cable Knit Sweater Headband, $50 value. Beauty Bakery, the Chosen Bun Eyeshadow Palette, $38. By Way, the Leave-In Conditioner, $30 value. Then by Rosie Jane, Dolce Travel Spray, $28 value. By This Works, Deep Sleep Overnight Cleanser, $20. Then we have an apron, $30 value. Then we've got a set of scrunchies in one of those ornament holders, $22 value. A yoga block plus a 1-month subscription, $28 value. Then these Topicals Faded Under Eye Masks, $22. The Haps Candlewick Trimmer, $16. Playground Water-Based Personal Lubricant. I'm always like chuckling when they put this stuff in there. There's a few repeats. Here we have the Nourishing Hand Cream by Natura Brazil, $18. Then we have Pretty Little Earmuffs, $25 value. Insert name here, those pretty little hairpins, $18 value. Water Drops Bestsellers Micro Drink Discovery Kit. I'm sure I can do without that one, $20 value. Probiotic Restoring Biodegradable Mask 4-pack by Aceology, $59 value. Then we have some London Town Ink Frosted Berries Nail Liqueur, 111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Brightening Essence, Verse Skin Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum, Hanky Panky Wash and Wear Packs, so you can determine which are dirty, which are clean. Caraway Pot Holder Value, set of 2, $30. Then we have the Leash and Potty Pal Combo, Sassy Wolf for your dogs, $31.98. Then we have by Marilyn Schiff, Double Layered Necklace, $38 value. And then it looks like we've got the annual annual add-ons coming up, the customization coming up, the seasonal customization, so you guys know you're getting ready to make your choices starting October 19th. So you may want to pay attention to that. That was everything in under 5 minutes. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, what you're most excited for, what you're not most excited for. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video while I'm sitting here in my PJs doing a facial mask. Getting ready for bed, but I wanted to share. I wanted to let you guys know what was out there, and I look forward to seeing you guys real soon in another video. Bye.